Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you're new to the channel, my name's Nolan, and in today's video I have got my Traxxas 1/16 scale mini E-Revo out with me, and we're going to bash around in the snow. I think we'll probably do some pretty big sends from the pavement into the snow. There's a snowbank right there that I think we can jump up. At some point I would like to get paddle tires for this thing. Paddle tires on this thing would be sweet. This is a brushless version, of course, and I'm going to be running on 3S today. So let me go ahead, get it hooked up, and we're going to jump right in this video. Should be a heck of a lot of fun. There's kind of a icing over the snow, so I think the RC for the most part will stay on top, so that's good. Ready for launch? 1, 2, 3, go! Not getting much for traction, that's for sure. Tumble! Get flipped back over. No traction. Tumble! What a pavement launch. I wonder if we can do a standing backflip. Oh, we technically did. Wasn't a smooth one. It wasn't the cleanest one ever, but it did a standing backflip. Oh, by the way, guys, this is the second time since I installed the center differential, so this has got a center diff in it now. I want to just show you guys the agility of it now. Well, that was not a prime example. Alright, let's do what I said I want to do. I want to hit this over here. Here we go, let's bring it. Whoa! That was quite the launch for a 1/16 scale. Give that a thumbs up, guys, if you like that. And of course, we lost the body clip. I'm not going to go look for it though. Alright, let's try hitting it again. One more.